everything that might have a ceramic part in it, we probably produced it. My first name is Thomas, my last name is Hinman. My title is swing shift lead. I do inspections, I help with brakes, I help to support my team to keep them running. The machines are really cool. This starts off as powder. It gets rolled into what we call greenware. And then that greenware goes into the refractory and into the kilns. Comes out of the kiln looking like this. It's used in every part of the world. Computers, lighters, every GM car has our product in it. One of the things I'm really proud about what we do here, we're actually manufacturing product in this country that gets exported to the rest of the world. There's a lot of opportunity here. I'm a fan of constantly learning. The more I learn, the happier I am. Knowledge to me is like, that's empowerment. My goal is to smile all day, and my team does the same thing. We have a good time, we laugh, we talk about things, we joke around. This is kind of like a second family. I love that. I'm trying to build this team in that fashion. And I'm so fortunate to have found a company like this in Grand Junction that supports the lifestyle I want to live.